Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Whether you're an ethical hacker, a cybersecurity enthusiast, or just curious about running Kali Linux, this guide is for you. Stick around till the end, and we'll ensure you're all set up and ready to go. Alright, let's start by enabling a crucial Windows feature required to run Kali Linux smoothly. Here's how you do it. Click on the Start menu and type Windows Features. You'll see an option that says, Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Look for the option that says Hyper-V or Virtual Machine Platform, depending on your Windows version. If it's unchecked, go ahead and check it. This setting is important for running virtual machines like Kali Linux. Once done, click OK and wait for the changes to apply. After that, you'll need to restart your computer. Make sure you save any open work before you restart. Once your system is ready, the next step is to download VirtualBox and Kali Linux. Let's start with VirtualBox. Open your web browser and search for the latest version of VirtualBox. Go to the official VirtualBox website and download the installer for Windows. It's always best to get the latest version to ensure compatibility and performance. Open your web browser and type virtualbox.org in the address bar. This will take you to the official VirtualBox website. On the home page, click on the Download VirtualBox button. Select the option for Windows hosts and the download will begin automatically. If prompted, accept the terms and conditions, then proceed with the download. Now that VirtualBox is downloading, let's move on to Kali Linux. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Kali Linux download. Click on the official Kali Linux website, which is kali.org. On the download page, look for the Kali Linux ISO file. Choose the latest version, like Kali Linux 2024.1, and make sure you download the 64-bit version for most systems. Once both downloads are complete, you'll be ready to set up your virtual machine in VirtualBox. It's always best to download from the official source to ensure you have the latest and most secure version. Click on Download VirtualBox and choose the Windows Hosts option. Once the download is complete, locate the installer and double-click to run it. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Stick to the default settings unless you have specific needs. When you see this network warning, don't worry, just click Yes. Finally, click Install and wait for the process to complete. Tip: mention that UAC prompts are normal during installation. Now let's download Kali Linux. Head over to the official Kali Linux website and select the virtual machine file for the 2024.1 release. If you're unsure which version to choose, go with the 64-bit option. This will ensure compatibility with most modern systems. Open VirtualBox and click New. Give your VM a name like Kali Linux 2024.1, and select Linux as the type. For RAM, I recommend at least 2 GB, but if you have more, go ahead and allocate it for better performance. Now create a virtual hard disk, and 20 GB is a good starting point. Tip: use close-ups for options being clicked. Let's start the virtual machine. Next, let's set up a virtual machine for Kali Linux. Select Graphical Install to begin. Follow the prompts to choose your language, location, and keyboard layout. When it comes to disk partitioning, select Guided. Use entire disk to keep things simple. Don't forget to set a strong root password during the installation process. Finally, install the Grub bootloader and complete the setup. Once the installation is complete, this will prevent the VM from booting back into the installer. Restart the virtual machine, log in with the credentials you set earlier, and welcome to your fresh Kali Linux setup. To enhance your VM experience, like enabling shared clipboard and screen resizing, let's install the VirtualBox Guest Editions. Go to Devices. Insert Guest Edition CD image, then open the terminal in Kali Linux and run these commands. After a quick reboot, everything will be set up. And that's it! You've successfully installed VirtualBox and Kali Linux 2024.1. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Happy learning and stay safe.